Hello, I'm Mike Bodnar, and I'm no expert. That's the first thing you need to know. However, I have been complimented on the paintwork that I've managed to do with a roller before now, and I just thought I would share with you the way I do it. This may not satisfy the experts, but it satisfies me. So first of all, you've got your paint, you've got your roller. The important thing is not to put too much paint on it. Get it on the roller and then roll it over the ribs here so that it squeezes it onto the brush. And you should reach a point where there is no paint dripping off the brush. That's the way you want it, because if it drips off the brush here, it's going to drip all across your floor and it's going to drip down your wall as well. Okay, let's put it on the wall. So here's what a lot of people do, and you see this on television in DIY programs. They do this. Well, no, because you're not getting an even coverage. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Now, like I said, I'm no expert, but this is what I do. I do a stroke like that, another one next to it, and then a third one, and they all overlap. Then I go across a couple of times each way in the same area, and those strands overlap as well. And then finally I do a laying off coat which goes in one direction, overlapping again like that. And that's it. All you've got to do now is repeat that over the entire wall, making sure that you overlap each time you do it, and you do that sequence of 1, 2 and 3. Try and finish off the same way each time. It gives a very nice even finish. Now comes the hard part. I've got to do the whole wall. Very satisfying.